Do you feel that the train has left? That your opportunity has gone? Don't worry. Jump on now. We will go with express speed to your final destination, financial freedom. A new generation of cryptocurrency is here. GCC. Begin now with GCC, like you should have done with Bitcoin. A new form of currency is born. GCC, a digital one, the future payment method. People didn't believe in Bitcoin. Today, this original cryptocurrency is used worldwide. Take part in a revolution. The world as we know it is changing. People search for easier, faster, and less expensive payments and transfers of money. The banks take a big part of your hard-earned money in fees. Governments control the value of currency. Are they doing a good job? Pay with your phone, anytime, anywhere. Enjoy your coffee without fees. Take advantage of fast GCC payments. Feel free. Embrace life. Send and receive money anywhere. 24 hours a day. Without limits. This is your chance. Grab the occasion. Imagine currency differently. Use GCC Easy in shops, cafes, and online. Bitcoin, first original cryptocurrency, developed back in 2008, grown strongly in value since. GCC will probably become the world's most powerful and daily use crypto coin. Incognito financial freedom. Cash out instantly. You have the world at the tip of your finger. Easy access to your GCC wallet. Visit our website